Hello and welcome back to Real Talks. Today we are going to be doing a walkthrough of the process of creating a one-product Shopify store. So why a one-product store? Simple. This is when you can prioritize all your daily tasks and all your energy into one single product. So you're not jumping around from one product to the other and getting overwhelmed. Also, one product stores are easier to brand and to market. And this is where you can put your creativity into play by creating amazing content for your chosen product and scale your store. So welcome back to Oberlo channel and Real Talks, where we cover everything on how to optimize your side hustle. We'll go over some of our top marketing tips and more. So my name is Mel, and I have been with Oberlo and Shopify for just over 2 years now. And I have a background in marketing and content creation and influencer marketing and all that good stuff. So I love talking to you guys about how to optimize your stores. So as mentioned, today I'm going to show you how to build a one product store. We will go from nothing to a complete Shopify store so that you can start running ads. In the previous week, Lexi has shown you how to create an amazing video ad creative for your ads organic content. So you can use those lessons in conjunction with today's video and create a beautiful store around that product. I'll show you everything without leaving anything behind, so you can use this video lesson as a cheat sheet and reference for you to start building your own store in a matter of 1 hour. So no more procrastinating. Everyone can take 1 hour of time and get to work on this. Moreover, if you want to get help from us, make sure to go to our Oberlo app and click on the support button in the bottom right-hand corner. This is where you have to make sure to use the Real Talk hashtag in your message and just write your question where you need help from us. Again, just make sure to use the Real Talk tag so your message itself won't get lost in our inbox, and we will put it into our dedicated inbox so our team will be able to help you with your business growth related questions. So without further ado, let's jump into the first step on creating a beautiful one product Shopify store. First and foremost, let me briefly introduce you to what is a one product store. Simply put, it's a store where you are selling one product only, and your store is geared towards that one product of your choice. This makes it easier to prioritize your daily tasks, market, and drive traffic to your store as you only have one product to work with. It's a great way to beat procrastination of having hundreds of products in your store and just start creating it today. Step number 1, what store should I create? Rather, your main question here should actually be, what product should you sell? And for this, refer to our previous video where we have shown you how to perform product research with 3 steps in under 60 seconds. But in short, these are the ways that we recommend to research winning products. Use droppoint.site website to search for products. Number 2, use Facebook search bar to research products and when ads get recommendation from Facebook on what is working right now. And number 3, use AliExpress Dropshipping Center to research products based on trends, reviews, and order counts. For our case study, we have gone ahead and found this dog bed that we have found by doing a quick search on both the droppoint.site as well as the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. We've chosen this product because it has quite a lot of recent orders, and in general, products related to our pets tend to perform really good, as the main thing for you as an e-commerce store owner will be to make sure to make great video ads as well as design great Shopify stores for this product, which we are going to do next. So step number 2, register a Shopify store and choose a theme. So next, let's create a Shopify account and get the 14-day trial. You can use our link below this video to create your store now. So I will wait till you guys click that link to start your trial. Once we do that, now we will need to decide what theme is most applicable for a one product store. The main thing to understand here is that you will need to make some adjustments to your theme and your store so that it doesn't look like a default Shopify store. By this, I mean change your theme button colors, your font, edit your footer, etc. I will show you how to do that later in the video, but for now, I've gone ahead and chosen the debut theme, which is from Shopify, and it's 100% free. And this is, in my opinion, the best free theme that we have, and it's the most customizable. So step number 3, import your product. So it's time to import our chosen dog bed product to our store. To do that, we will use the Oberlo app, which again is 100% free. To install the Oberlo app, head over to the Shopify app section, click on this button, and in the Shopify app store, search for Oberlo. and click the Add App button. After you install it in your store, the next thing you have to do is install the Oberlo Chrome extension. This will allow you to import the product to your store with one click. You can just Google it and add it to your Chrome browser. Once you have done all that, it's time to go to the product that we want to add to our store on AliExpress and click on the Oberlo icon. Now it has been imported to your Oberlo app, so go there. I recommend you leave your product title and description the same, as we will edit that in Shopify. But make sure to check the variants tab and see if all is good there. And finally, check the product photos tab and see whether all the good looking photos will be imported to our store, and then click import. Step number 4, install all the must-have apps to your store. So let's get back a few steps and install must-have apps to your Shopify store. These apps are super crucial since you want to have a complete store, and so your customers will actually trust you and your brand. And these are the apps that we are going to add to our store. So first, Automizely Ali Review app, so we can have reviews in our store. Super important. And it's actually totally free as well. And we can use AfterShip, so we can track or have a track order page in our store, as your customers will search for this page and see whether they will be able to easily check their order tracking information. It's free as well for the first 50 orders each month. So you would have to pay if you get over 50 orders a month. Then Sticky Cart by Uplinky. So you will have a sticky add to cart button in your store. This is important because the vast majority of your visitors will access your store via their mobile phones. And this button will make it easier to add the product to their cart without scrolling back up the page to find the add to cart button. This app is totally free as well. The process of installing these apps is the same as the Oberlo app. So just go ahead into the Shopify store, app store, and add these apps. Step number 5, building your homepage. So we have our product added to the store, we've installed our apps, and the next step is to start designing our store homepage. Now, let me mention one thing. The homepage is not that important, since you'll be directing your visitors to the product page, where they'll be able to read the product description and add it to their cart. But it doesn't mean you can leave it empty. Your visitors may still get to your homepage and check what's going on there. So to customize your homepage, go to your Shopify admin, click on Online Store, and then click on Customize. And on the next page, you will be able to customize your homepage. When designing your homepage, think of it as an opportunity to highlight how your product can solve your customer's problem. Structure it around engaging product images, enticing benefit-driven copy, relevant content that prompts sales. When visitors land to your homepage, greet them with a captivating hero image and short sales copy highlighting the key benefit of your product. Overlay your image with a powerful call to action to encourage browsers through your mini sales funnel to the product page. Finally, at the bottom of the page, we added a newsletter that gives an opportunity for visitors to enter their email address and receive some sort of discount code. And that's pretty much it for the homepage. So step number 6, which I think is the most important step, building your product page. This is the single most important page in your Shopify store. And this is where you will be writing high converting copy and add any images and GIFs explaining and showing the product. And the very first thing we always recommend to do is to perform a bit of research on how other stores are writing their product descriptions and designing their product page. You must not copy them, as you could get into a lot of trouble. But you should gather ideas about what they are doing, what features and benefits they identify, what images and GIFs they have, etc. This is where you should spend some time analyzing others and get a bit of understanding of what they're doing. And here is a quick checklist that we have used for our store. And we highly recommend you do the same. And we will share this list with you in the description of the video. So compose epic copy. Make sure to optimize your product description to have benefits of your product and add bullet points, GIFs, images, or videos explaining and showing the product. It is best to avoid using any default AliExpress descriptions, as they mostly only include product specifications. Some great e-commerce stores with great product page descriptions is a list that you guys can check out here. Product titles short and sweet. Make sure that your product title is not too long and they don't look unappealing to potential customers. Short, catchy titles are best. Also, the title can be your place to add benefit of the product or even who it's for. To keep your titles easy to read and to the point, limit them to 55 characters or less. Next, add reviews for your product. Reviews are a must-have as they have a huge effect on the potential customer's trust. Nearly 95% of shoppers read reviews before making a purchase. Surveys have consistently shown that customers trust reviews more than descriptions provided by the store or manufacturer. In short, you'll want to add more product reviews to your product pages because reviews are often the pivotal factor helping customers decide whether or not they should purchase a product. Build trust and communicate clearly with purchasing policies. You must have shipping information as well as an hour guarantee section on your product page. Here, you will briefly explain when your customers will get the item, as well as go over things like guarantees and refunds. For example, 30 days, no questions asked refund, and easy returns. This information is crucial in helping to make your customers feel safe as they are deciding whether or not to make a purchase. And finally, price is the utmost importance to customers. Make sure your product prices are consistent, especially when talking about cents formatting. So 99 cents, 95 cents, 97 cents, etc. We went ahead and added all these things to our store, as well as imported our created video, uploaded our product images from AliExpress, as well as our own. Make sure all of your images have the same background. And that's it. Make sure to check the checklist in the description of the video. Step number 7, finish up by setting up our apps and necessary pages. Finally, let's add the necessary pages to our Shopify store. And these are the privacy policy, terms of service, refund policy, shipping policy, FAQ, and track your order pages. The first 3 pages can be automatically pre-generated by going to Shopify settings and then legal. But just make sure to review your pages and change your email address and any info that is not relatable to your store. Also, in case you're not sure how to write your refund policy page or any of the other pages, check out how we have set it up for this example case study store. Again, make sure to see whether it's applicable to your preferences and your actual location, as some of the policies depend on where you live. Make sure to do your research and whether this applies to your own country and where you are residing. But for us, this information is the correct one to get started. And that's it. Next, we go into our hot tip and toolbox, which we add at the end of every Real Talk video. So today, my hot tip is to build a brand. So when you're selling that one product, build a brand around that product. So for example, for a dog bed, you could have a dog bed brand. Come up with a catchy name, a catchy logo. We have a great guide on this, which can be found at the link below. It's an Oberlo document called Build Your Business in Design and Branding. So it is a great document that can help you guys understand exactly how to build a brand around your business. Having your brand really helps gain trust from your customers because they can tell that, you're a real business and you're not just random products being shipped out. Now onto the toolbox. We have Shopify Compass, which is a collection of free courses for e-commerce provided by Shopify. We can find some awesome courses. However, the one that we are going to highlight today is the Hidden Secrets of Copywriting. And it is an hour course, so everyone has time for an hour to sit down and follow this video and learn this course. It can really help you grow and optimize your store because you want to engage your audience and convert them into customers. And this will help you do so. And it's a super engaging video, so it's definitely one that will entertain you as well as educate you at the same time. So that is it. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. I really loved having you. Make sure to leave a comment in the comment box below. What did you like? What can we do better? Also, make sure to let us know whether you have any ideas on what you would like to learn from us. Furthermore, please make sure to contact us via the Oberlo app with a hashtag of Real Talk, plus your questions where you need help, and our team will be able to help you ASAP. And we will see you next week. Thanks for joining us. Bye.